Durable, sturdy, ergonomic design. Construction made of durable steel. Construction and ergonomic design. Features: cushioned headrest for support. Weight 6.50 pounds, width 25 inches, height 28.5 inches, depth 27 inches. Convenience. Easy assembly and ideal for home use. Functional. Tone and sculpt your core muscles with this easy-to-use crunch tool. Tone and sculpt your core muscles with this easy-to-use crunch tool. Sturdy, ergonomic design will help eliminate back and neck strain often associated with crunches. Made of durable steel. Construction with a cushioned headrest for support. Assembles in just minutes. Includes limited 30-day manufacturer's warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Back in the 90s I owned the original A flat roller which was sold on an infomercial. I loved it and it really helped me keep my six-pack abs. Fast forward all these years and I figured it was time to try something again to get back in shape. This may not be as well made as the original A flat roller but it does the job and it was very affordable. It was all so easy to put together.